Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox crashing issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and open up your browser, have access to your Roblox, and if it's not working, it's simply keeps on getting crashed down. First thing you can do is you can simply refresh it. Next thing you can do is check your internet connection. If it's not good, simply switch your cellular, and that is it. If that also doesn't help, go to your settings and simply clear the cache of your browser, or simply refresh it again. If it's not working out on your app, then all you gotta do is go to your app store and search in Roblox to see whether it's updated or not. Because if it's not, then it's their way of letting you know that you gotta update your app. So update your app, and that should solve it out. If that's also not the case, then again go ahead, re-log in by logging out, or simply refresh your app and delete the cache, or reinstall it. That should help you out at once. Those are the steps. Make sure to follow them accordingly and you're good to go. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.